innovation system then. And again, there has been huge developments in interpreting regional innovation systems. What we have here is a very strong focus on small and medium enterprises, also large firms are there. This very much reflects what we can read from the industrial districts model, from the milieu innovateur. I mean, I've made a comparison of all these models in the article I just cited. So you have the knowledge application and exploitation subsystem, and then you have the knowledge generation and diffusion subsystem. What does that include? Technology transfer offices, public and private funding organizations, educational, university, public and private research institute. We could add quite a bit of, well, it's here, I hadn't noticed, horizontal and vertical networking between these different types of agencies. Now, what is missing here, as a neutral observer, I would even say, is the culture. Culture is extremely important in the industrial district.